So you're new to the 986 platform, you just picked one up, whether it's a high mileage example for a pretty good price or even a lower mileage example. As these cars age, there's a maintenance schedule, and a lot of it's really simple, and this chassis is particularly easy to work on. I'm Damien from Pelican Parts, and today I'm going to show you what you should look for so you can get the most out of your Boxster. If it's one thing this chassis does very well, it's drive. So you want to make sure that you can get this driving just like it should. Routine maintenance is important for any vehicle, especially Porsches. The parts are reasonably priced, and unless you're getting into an in-depth job like the AOS, the IMS, the clutch, it's all pretty straightforward.
The first interval is a controversial one. Porsche claims the oil and filter should be changed every 15,000 miles. We all know how far synthetic oil technology has come in the past decade or two, but there are too many variables like engine condition, driving styles, and environmental conditions that can lead to shortening the service life of a fluid. I would suggest cutting that interval in half for most use cases. The cabin air filter is responsible for cleaning all the air being pulled from the outside of the car through the HVAC system and into your interior. These are often overlooked. These should be changed every 15,000 miles. Every 30,000 miles, the engine filter should be changed. This is doing the same thing the cabin air filter does, except for your engine. Keeping your engine from ingesting dust and other debris is an important job to keep your engine healthy and running efficiently. Porsche recommends changing the spark plugs every 60,000 miles. Also, since the ignition coils on each cylinder must be removed to change the spark plugs, you should inspect them for any cracking or wear that could cause them to malfunction and replace them as necessary. The fuel filter can also be overlooked, but it's another maintenance item with an important job. Keeping the fuel clean and free of any moisture or debris will avoid any expensive damage or performance issues with your fuel system. This is also on the same 60,000 mile service interval as the spark plugs and drive belt. Remove the front engine cover and replace the drive belt. Inspect the pulleys and tensioner at the same time.
Now that you've got your 986 up to par, the only thing left to do is get out and drive it, as well as check us out at pelicanparts.com, where you'll find any tool, part, or tech article you may need to work on your Porsche.